Today I'm going to show you the quickest way to create a dodge and burn look in Photoshop. So all you need to do is cut out an object, make a new layer above your object and call it dodge. Then hold down Command and click your object. Make sure that the marching ants are around the object, not on the outside of it. Then you go over to your paint bucket tool and then you make sure you've got white. The shortcut for that is X. Make sure you've got it clicked, deselect, open the layer styles panel and then hold down Alt and click one of these markers and separate it over to the side. Move this over as well and then put the blend mode to soft light. Click OK, make a new layer, call this one burn. With the burn layer selected, we want to make this black. So go back over to your object and hold down Command and click. Go back to it and make sure that you're using black this time. Click that and deselect. Command D to deselect. Double click. Go back into layer style and this time go on the white side of your underlying layer in Blend Diff. Click and drag and then maybe find your desired look. Go over to blend mode and put it on soft light. Click OK and you've just made the simplest dodge and burn look that you will ever do. Before, after. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. I look forward to teaching you more in the future.